Heavy downpour since Saturday morning submerged several parts of the national capital, bringing the temperature down and triggering an orange alert. The India Meteorological Department today predicted thunderstorms with moderate to heavy intensity rain and gusty winds in parts of Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana during the morning and afternoon. Thunderstorm with very heavy intensity rain and winds with speed of 20 to 40 km per hour would continue to occur over and adjoining areas of many places of Delhi, and thunderstorm with moderate to heavy intensity rain and gusty winds would continue to occur over and adjoining areas of NCR, Bahadurgarh, Gurugram, Manesar, Faridabad, Ballabgarh, Loni Dehat, Hindan AF Station, Ghaziabad, Indirapuram, Chaprola, Noida, Dadri, Greater Noida and several other places, IMD said in a weather bulletin. The Weather Office has issued an orange alert for today. Some visuals also showed that Delhi airport was flooded, and authorities said that the water was cleared within half an hour. Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.